What's going on, YouTube? Derek here, back with another video. I'm still out here in the shop, man, just messing around, continuing my project that I've been working on. I'm gonna upgrade these, I'm gonna paint these wheels that I got. I'm gonna make them look a little bit better. So I like the Dodge wheels, 20-inch wheels. I don't want to get no more rims, so I'm gonna paint these. You know what I mean? I'm not a rim guy, so I like the factory type wheels. So I'm gonna paint these up. I'm gonna see how good they look. I think I'm gonna do these calipers too. While I got the tire off, I'm gonna do the I guess the front calipers. So I'm gonna do the back calipers too. So let me get my light right. I'm gonna do the calipers while I got the tires off. Stay tuned, see how it turned out. I'll be back. I'm gonna wash these wheels off real quick before I start on them. It is cold out here too. I gotta hurry up and do this. Get these clean real quick. All right, man, I done washed my wheels off. Waited for a little while. I got them cleaned off. I'm gonna tape these wheels off right quick, then I can get started. So it's been a long process, you know what I mean? Just take a little patience and everything just to do. So, man, I got them clean. I'm letting them dry for a little while. I'm ready to take them off, and I'll be right back. Tape them off, you know, I'm gonna tape them from where I want the paint to go, and I'll be right back. All right, man, back out here. This is my vision of what it's gonna be. It's gonna be a white and a black wheel that I'm gonna paint. So this is my vision, the way I got it looking. I don't know if you can see that. You can see the horseshoes that's gonna be in the middle. I'm gonna paint those white, and the other part of the rim is gonna be black. So I think it's gonna be pretty good. I think it's gonna look, you know, real different than what it is now. So I think it's gonna be pretty good. I'm gonna paint this real quick. I'm gonna let it get warm in here, and I'll be right back. Okay, here we go, man. I'm about to lay it down, lay this paint down in here. Let me show you my temperature gauge up there. That's my temperature gauge of that Craftsman heater, man. I'm telling you. But anyway, here we go. About to get going. to get it on thick. I got a couple of runs already. I'm gonna have to try to smooth out. Try to make my first coat kind of light so I can keep going over it. I think it's looking pretty good already. Alright, I'm back. Man, that white came out so good. I decided to paint the whole rim white. I was going to do a two-tone, but I changed my mind. Man, that came out so glossy white. I'm going to put another coat on there. And that came out good. That came out real good. I'll probably wait till tomorrow. I'm gonna put another coat on there and we'll see how it look. So I'll show you what it look like tomorrow when I clean it up and get it finished. So stay tuned. What's going on, guys? Derek back with another video. Still messing around in the shop out here, man. I got everything almost tightened up today. Let me give you an update of what's going on. Bam. Here we go. Man, I got that thing about right now. Let the sun come up. Got the wheels painted. I got them spike lug nuts. Did the calipers while I had the tire off too. Check that out. Oh, that's gonna look real good right there. Got some cleanup, but hopefully the brakes and everything take that little paint I got on my rotors off and everything. But I think it looked pretty good. Coming on along. Check out the back. I got the white and everything in there too. Clean that up. Got my brake caliper in there too, with the spike lug nuts on there. Got my decals ready. That's Derek Crowley TV at YouTube. So it's all good. I think it came out pretty good, man. It was a long process too. Man, it took me a while to do. That's just one side. I did one side. Man, I gotta do the other side. That's the bad part. Derek out with another video. I hope you like it. Comment, like, and subscribe and what you think about it. I'll be back with another video. Peace out.
Like, comment, and subscribe to this channel.